Introducing New York Serenade, an exquisite custom luxury piano adorned with over 170,000 diamond-cut zirconia stones, each meticulously hand-set to dazzle with the clarity and brilliance of diamonds. It embodies a celebration of music and artistry. The sheer scale of diamond-cut zirconia inlay on the piano case is unparalleled, setting a new standard in craftsmanship worldwide. New York Serenade pays tribute to the vibrant city of New York and American jazz era. This custom piano intricately depicts iconic landmarks like Steinway Hall, Grand Central Station, Brooklyn Bridge, Central Park, and the legendary Cotton Club. Adorned with dancing figurines capturing a story of love, transporting us into an encapsulating moment and essence of the American dream. The piano showcases a groundbreaking three-dimensional artwork integrating tritone color technique. On the piano case, a pavé inlay of diamond-cut zirconia stones hand-set in a complex micro-mosaic composition. The result is a synchronized multi-layered design, creating a breathtaking effect that has never been seen before. New York Serenade comes with high-tech live performance self-playing piano player system and a curated library of music. With over 5 years of painstaking research and development, New York Serenade custom piano embodies an unparalleled fusion of musical excellence, technological innovation, and artistic brilliance. A masterpiece destined to last for generations. A piano that is truly one in a universe.